Now with the weather, here's Tyne, Logan. Tyne, how long have we got this fine weather for?
It's going to stick around all week, so you can settle in. Hopefully you like it. Perth peaked at 23.5 degrees at 10 past 2. That was after a cool and smoggy start to the day. It dipped to 9.1 degrees at a 7:15 this morning and only 7 degrees in Jandakot and the Swan Valley. Right now it's 19 degrees. The Great Southern shivered through some cold weather this morning. Newdigate and Wandering shared the state's lowest minimum of 4 degrees. And while temperatures did make it into the 20s, there was a few showers over the southwest and Great Southern today. But on opposite ends, it was warm. Mandorah and the Curtin RAAF base had the state's top temperature of 38 degrees, and temperatures are starting to climb back to normal for the Pilbara too. It reached 33 in Onslow today. Now, if we take a look at the satellite, there is still a band of cloud sitting over the Pilbara. That's the remnants of a tropical low. That'll stick around all week and deliver the odd shower here and there for the region. A weak cold front was behind the showers for the southwest, but the biggest feature from here on in, really for the whole state, will be a high pressure system south of the state. That will clear out the skies, start to turn those winds to more of an easterly flow, and because it's a slow moving system, it is going to remain like that for most of the week. Now, tomorrow there's going to be reasonably mild weather all across the country's capitals in the low to mid-20s, with the exception of Darwin, which will be sunny and 35 degrees. Melbourne is becoming windy during tomorrow ahead of a front, and Adelaide may see a late shower or two. In WA's north, there's a couple of lingering 20-something temperatures in Newman and the Gascoyne, but otherwise the warmer weather is setting back in, up to 35 degrees in Exmouth, Port Hedland and Halls Creek. Over central parts of the state, it'll be partly cloudy and the low to mid-20s. There is strong wind warnings for the Gascoyne and Geraldton coasts. And in the south, it's going to be cool and cloudy for the southwest and south coastal areas. Only 16 degrees in Denmark tomorrow. Potentially a bit of smoke haze in the upper parts of the southwest, but that morning smoke is more likely around the city area tomorrow, ahead of a partly cloudy day, reaching a top of 23 in Perth from a low of 11 tonight. On Perth local waters, there's a bit of swell kicking in, up to 2 to 3 metres during the morning in Perth, and a huge swell in Margaret River expected to be 2 to 3 times overhead tomorrow, so even bigger than last week when that fisheries boat was photographed. And the winds will be offshore, southeasterly. Sunrise is at 11 minutes to 7 and sunset at 23 minutes to 6. And looking ahead to the rest of the week, it's much the same temperatures-wise, a top of 22 degrees on both Wednesday and Thursday, with some strong easterly winds those days. Then up to 25 on Friday and 26 degrees on both Saturday and Sunday, Pamela.
Thanks for that, Tyne, and that's ABC News for now. I'll be back with your late news this evening. In the meantime, you can stay up to date with ABC News online, or you can catch the news anytime on ABC iView. Stay with us for 7:30 with Lee Sales.